Yeah, but that is a grammar. What is grammar? Tense and part of speech all are grammar. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Mm. That is a part of speech. That is a part of speech. Yeah, grammar. That is a grammar. Yeah, that's why I told you if we want to speak better English, then grammar also required, vocabulary also required, part of speech also required. All are backbone of language. Mm-hmm. Right, right, right. Mm-hmm. Oh, that's right. Can you Yeah, without grammar, how can make a sentence? It's okay. Understanding without grammar, also people they can speak. Illiterate people they can speak. They don't know what is grammar, tense, or what is vocabulary. They don't have any idea. They cannot read or write, but they can speak. Because they can speak, they have atmosphere. They got atmosphere. That's why they listen and they try to speak. But we don't have atmosphere where you listen and with whom you speak. Right. That's why we have to improve our grammar also. We have to improve our vocabulary and we try to implement through speaking. Right. But illiterate people, they can speak because they got the atmosphere. Yeah, that's why I told you because we don't have language, we don't get atmosphere. Then we read right. We have to read right. After that, we listen and we try to understand and we convey our message. We convey our thought. We transfer our thought. We with whom we interact. They can understand what we wanna tell them. Right? Yeah. That's why everything required improve language. Otherwise, not a easy task. Right? Because if you have a atmosphere, you listen daily and you try to understand, then no need to read write anything and no need to any kind of atmosphere, right? You immediately, you slowly gradually you try to speak. But if we don't have atmosphere listening and speaking, then we have to read and write and we have to know about and understand about that language. After that we can communicate with others, right? Otherwise no one can understand what you wanna tell them, right? Pardon? No, I don't teach anyone to speak English. Pardon? No, I don't take any coaching, any language institute. I'm a language learner. I'm a slow learner. I follow one formula LSRW. Reading, writing, and speaking. Right. That is only one technique and language depends practice. Means we always think practice means listening and speaking. It is not correct. Practice means we have to learn how to reading. Practice means we have to learn how to writing. Practice means we have to learn how to listening. Practice means we have to learn how to speaking. Right? All are interconnection each other. Then if you take language has four skill, LSRW. If you take two skill, listening and speaking, then it will take time to improve your language. If you take three skill, reading, write, listening and speaking, then it will take time to speak better English. If you take four skill, LSRW, you do regularly, daily, per day, then definitely within short period, anyone become a good speaker. They can convey their message with whom they want to interact. Right. That's why all are interconnection each other. But people they think no need to they maximum people don't like reading and writing. Okay, you take one copy and you read. They're not like that. In this digital era, AI era, you get so many WhatsApp group and Facebook or Instagram, you read their small article, 20 sentences article, right? That is also we can do it. Or if you go to Google Map, right? Google, then you see so many lots of passage in there. We can read. Or if you want to improve your writing, then you chat with anyone in WhatsApp or Facebook or any kind of group you enter and you chat with them, then you can improve your writing and reading as well. And speaking part, listening and speaking, we use this type of platform and we connect with language learner because we don't have language partner and we don't get atmosphere to interact with anyone in English because we are living in India. India is a languages country, all state have different languages, we have a one mother tongue, then with whom you interact, with whom we talk. That's why we people depend in this type of platform to connect with language learner. Right now I don't know your native language, you know my native language, still we are communicating each other through English, right? Yeah, tell me. Of course, definitely.